All right, welcome back to part 2. We're gonna go ahead and take our, man, that stupid focus. We're gonna take our ring off and get her welded on there. Here we go. All right, so if you're trying to get something square on something and you don't have a measuring point, you just gotta think outside the box a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm using a straight edge with a square on the inner side. And that way I can get my flange square and the schnozzle's not sitting off. Right now I'm about 1/4 to 1/2 degree off, which I think that's acceptable. You're barely even gonna see that. So yeah, let's get this welded on. Yeah, I couldn't let that go. I went ahead and I spent the time and I got her squared up. It only took like another, 5-10 minutes, but she is perfectly square with these vertical walls. So I'm sure there's other ways to square a flange, but that works for me. Anyway. All right, there we go. Fully welded up, fully cleaned up, and ready to go. Let's mount this little bitchlet up on there. Here we go. All right, so we've had a small change of priorities. Instead of doing the cylinder right now, I'm gonna do the little kicker downer flappy thingy magoody thing right there with the hydro and all that. That's gonna be a higher priority because right now it can be used, but it may shoot over the truck. So we gotta get a little flapper downer. This is a secondary if I have time. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. Alrighty, I whipped up a shield and let's go ahead and fit it. There we go. She's mounted up. Let's go ahead and make her look prettier though. Well, that looks a little better. We got her fully extended out too. So it gives me my true final angle. Yeah, so let's mount a cylinder on it. Bad chicken. All right, well, there it is folded over. I had to access my panel here to weld up on top, and I really didn't want to stand on the tippy top of the ladder to weld up on that stupid tall ass thing. So dropped her down, gonna go ahead and weld the cylinder on, and then we'll stand her back up. But that's how it looks folded over. Easily be able to transport that on a low boy or something like that and not have to worry about taking out power lines and bridges and things. So yeah, anyway, let's get to burning. All right, she's tacked in place. Let's test this together and see how she works. I'd say that works like a champ. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish welding her up and yeah, and then we'll run the hydro. All right, so we got our hydro and cylinder and all run to that. That's all run and ready to go. Went ahead and created all my linkages and got my cylinder in here. Went ahead and painted it, and then I remembered I was gonna add a backbone support up there, backbone gusset. But yeah, so this video is getting a little bit long. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one, and then the final video will have all this stuff working and painted up and ready to go. So yeah, let's call it done on this video.